Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I will show you how to rotate image in Google Docs. So let's start. Over here you can see I am here in Google Docs. I'll open one blank document. Then over here you can see this is my blank document. Now to insert image, I'll go to Insert and Image. And I'll choose this Search the Web. And I'll search for Google logo. You can see here is different logos of Google. I'll go with this first one and insert. I'm here with logo of Google. Now to rotate this, all you need to do is right click on this image and go to image options. Then on the right you will find size and rotation. Click on this drop down. Over here you can find this option of rotate. You can find angle and also a predefined angle of 90 degree to which you can rotate your image by 90 degree. Now I'll go first with angle 5 degree and you can see here our image is rotated by 5 degree. For now I'll remove this 5 degree and go with this 90 degree. Click on this rotate. You can see here our image is rotated. Also if I again click on this, the image keeps rotating on clockwise direction. In this way, we can rotate image in Google Docs. So, if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.